My guest today is Kelly. Oops. I started to say somebody else's last name. Let me start all over again. They're all confused. Okay, ready? My guest today is Kelly Wright, the editor of Investment Quality Trends. Hi, Kelly. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
Let's talk about stocks. Stocks, of course, have done very well in the last couple of months. Value led the game last year. Growth seems to be doing a little bit better this year. Now, we talked earlier, and your universe of stocks that you were able to follow back in 2003 was around 350.
Yeah.
And that has decreased to, what, 236?
Yes.
Tell me why.
Well, from 1966 to 2003, we did follow about 350. I think a combination of things. One would be mergers and acquisitions. The other would be just the overall level of quality has just dissipated. There's just not as many good companies out there as there used to be. Why? You know, there's probably a number of reasons. Probably a lot of it has to do with companies are managing to the quarter.
Right.
As opposed to the longer term. You know, and as value people, you know, we typically buy things when they're unloved, unwanted, and then we hold them until they are loved. Right. You know, so, you know, we have to sit and we have to wait and form them, which is okay because you get paid from your dividends.
Sure.
But yeah, it's tougher and tougher all the time to find good quality companies.
So having said that, do you have a couple that you really like right now?
I do, I really do. I like American Express a lot. Symbol's AXP.
Don't leave home without it.
Don't leave home, that's right, absolutely. You know, a lot of people were worried when they lost their deal with Costco.
Right.
Well, if you look at their internals, they haven't missed a beat. I mean, man, they're making money hand over fist. I like some of the mutual fund companies like Franklin Resources, symbol is BEN, BEN. I like Rowe Price, symbol TROW. Those are the areas of financials that I absolutely love. I like some of the industrials a lot. I think the infrastructure story could be really, really big.
Who do you like there?
I love Cummins.
Okay, Cummins Engine.
Lord have mercy.
Cummins Engine.
Yeah, Cummins Inc., CMI. I love them. I like Fluor.
Yeah.
The big construction company. They're doing great. I love Union Pacific.
Really?
UNP, because hey, if we're going to get in this,
gotta move it around.
Absolutely. I mean, you can only get the last couple of miles by truck. Otherwise, you're going to have to use rails. So I like those guys a lot.
Sounds interesting. Well, thank you for sharing that.
Thank you for having me.
And thanks for joining us at the MoneyShow.com video network.